So we all know that 1 to 1.5 years ago, the defense sector gave a massive rally. The entire index, defense index, went up by more than 130% in just 1 year. Yes, the 1 year return is more than 130% for defense sector at that time. And if we talk about specific stocks like Garden Rich Shipbuilders, then this stock gave 200% return in less than 2 months. Would you believe that? Yes, in less than 2 months, from May 2024 to July 2024, it gave almost 200% return just in 2 months, right? So after that it started falling, and after a huge fall, finally we are starting to see some strength in this stock, and not only in this stock particularly, but in the entire defense sector stock. So today we are going to focus on the price action of Garden Rich Shipbuilders, and I will make videos on other defense sector stocks very soon, in few days only, in this channel and also in my other channel, Financial Affairs. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, then you will find the link in the description section below. Okay, now coming to this stock, we are going to focus purely on price action today. So let me take you to the screen and we'll focus on the weekly and then the daily time frame. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hi everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Garden Rich Shipbuilders, and you can see the big movement, okay, the big return that it has given. We can see from here, okay, 13th May 2024 to July, you can see almost 200, more than 200%, okay, in just 56 days. Okay, but what happened after that? It started falling and it has fallen by almost 55%, but that is over, and we can see the formation of a good base here. You can see the big green weekly candles starting to form back to back, okay, and I have drawn one trend line here, okay, and named it strong break, and you can see the stock has already broken that one, used that as the support, and now it is starting to go up, okay, and this week it has gone up by, you can see, a massive 14%, okay. Today is just Tuesday, okay, in 2 days. Yesterday it went up by 8%, today it has gone up by 5.3%, so almost 13% it has gone up. So the question is this a good time to make an entry in Garden Rich Shipbuilders? I would say that completely depends on you, okay. You have to do the total analysis of the stock, okay, and if you like the fundamentals and everything about the stock, then only you should consider the price action, okay. And coming to price action, I would say this stock has formed a good base here, okay, and if you are a long term investor, then investing right now won't be a bad option, okay, because it is clearly giving signs of strength. And let us check the volume as well, because the volume plays a major role, and you can see the big candle here, okay, weekly candle here is having a good volume, and today also, I mean this week also, it has already given a big volume bar, and it is just 2 days of the week. Today is Tuesday, we have 3 more days to go, so I'm pretty sure the volume bar will continue to go up, okay. And in simple words, if this stock strong enough for entry right now, I would say yes it is, but obviously this is not an investment advice, this is just an educational video. So I would like to explain how and why I think it is actually gaining momentum. So directly I will use the two momentum indicators. First is MACD and second is RSI. Now if we focus on MACD first, we can see that a crossover has already happened here, okay, in MACD, and we are getting to see green bars, so I expect it to continue, right. This is one of the factors. Other factor is the price action, which is the main factor, which I have already explained. Now coming to RSI, in the RSI you can see in the weekly time frame, the RSI level is staying below the 50 level and also above this black line, that is the moving average for RSI. So that is another indication that the stock is actually building strength and should be considered for investment. So the momentum indicator has confirmed, the price action has also confirmed, and now let's check the last factor, that is the moving averages, okay. So if I enable 10 and 30 weeks moving average, what do I see? I am seeing a cross over here, okay. Here there is a crossover and it is starting to go up, and if I pick the 50 weeks moving average also, which is the 250 days, then also I can see that the moving average has turned upwards, and also the price action is staying above that. So all these factors are clearly giving the picture that this stock is actually getting strong, okay. So that is the overall outlook on Garden Rich Shipbuilders, and I have also checked many other defense sector stocks are also gaining momentum, and very soon I am going to bring videos on them as well. Bharat Electronics, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, then Bharat Dynamics, every stock. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching the defense sector. That sector is looking very strong, and the stocks in this sector have a huge potential to give good returns. That's why it is very important that you keep these individual stocks of defense sector as well as the entire index in your watch list and continue to track them, right? So that is all for this video. I hope this quick video was useful and informative. Please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and make sure to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.